So far, the properties that I've been seeing here at Pattaya Beach really is affordable. Welcome to my retired traveling solo vlog. I am now searching East Asia for my retirement home location, checking out all the pros and cons of each destination. Next stop, I will be traveling the entire length of Vietnam. Now from Pattaya Beach, we are leaving to go and look in some condos. This is the major means of transportation here in Pattaya. And Grab. The 2 units I'm looking at today, we have to climb all the way up the hill. It's located right on top of the mountain, overlooking the ocean, which is only 300 meters away. At the Phratamnak viewpoint, you can truly see the city's beauty. So far, the street looks nice and quiet. My biggest complaint with Pattaya Beach has always been the noise. But so far, this street looks nice and quiet. Being on top of the hill, I think is nice because I think the temperature will be a lot cooler. Good thing is here you get a lot of parking. 3 floors. Let's go check out the inside. It is great to be on top of the hill, but the only thing I just realized is that in being on top of the hill, you're either gonna need a car or you're gonna have to always use Grab. That's the concern. Let's now go look in the unit. This is a 1-bedroom, 1 bath. It's located on the 2nd floor. The size is 39.68 square meters. Pratumnak Condo was built in 2017. The condo comprises of 1 building and 15 floors with 47 units. Here they have a swimming pool, a fitness center, garden, parking, elevator, rooftop lounge bar, as well as 24 hours security system.
How much?
Yeah.
Yeah, so your maintenance fee is...
Maintenance.
Yeah, that's 46 baht per square meter.
46. So how much is it for this unit?
46 by 40, about 1,800.
1,800 baht?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go check out the common areas. You really get a beautiful view from up here. pool is awesome. Look at the nice gym. This is a very spacious gym. Normally the gyms are very small. This is very spacious. For this one bedroom, one bath on the second floor, 39.68 square meters, asking price is $80,729. To lease a unit like this, $358 per month with a 3 to 12 month lease. The next condo we're going to be looking at is the Aurora Pratumnak condos. The Aurora Pratumnak condos is located in the Pratumnak Hill, which is only 300 meters from the sea. There's 117 units in the building. And there are 8 floors. The unit is being sold as ready to move in. It has amenities such as a common garden, CCTV, a fitness center, sauna, 24-hour security, and of course, a pool. This one bedroom, one bath, size 44 square meters, located on the 5th floor. The asking price is $71,759. To lease a unit like this, it costs $325 per month with a 3 to 12 month lease. Hope this video helped you on your journey to success. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without leaving happier. The journey to taking your life back.